I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug the Kraken into a known good port and set it as your input device so Windows sends audio from the right source. Once done, mute other microphones to prevent background pickup and reduce system gain to about 30 to 40%. That gives headroom and prevents clipping. You do this because low system gain avoids noise when you boost later in equalizer or software, and because correct routing ensures any adjustments affect the Kraken only. Now you adjust tone and dynamics so your voice is clear and consistent. Start by choosing 48 kHz and 16-bit for cleaner capture. Next, apply a modest EQ. Reduce 200 to 400 Hz to remove boominess, then add a 2 to 4 dB boost around 3 to 5 kHz to bring intelligibility and presence forward. After that, add light compression, about a 3:1 ratio with a medium attack, to even out loud and soft parts so your voice sits steady in chat or streams. Finish by removing remaining background and pops. Set a noise gate threshold just below your speaking level so idle noise is silenced, and angle the mic 1 to 2 inches from your mouth. This reduces plosives. Add a foam windscreen if needed. If you still hear distortion, make sure to lower input gain first because clipping is the most common issue. If problems continue, swap the cable or try another PC to isolate hardware. These steps get the Kraken sounding tight and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.